A growing number of people online are talking about something surprisingly simple called the pink gelatin trick. Rather than being promoted as a diet, the pink gelatin trick is usually described as a small pre-meal routine. The concept is simple. Drink a warm gelatin mixture shortly before eating. According to many users who have tried the pink gelatin trick, this small habit can help them feel more satisfied during meals and reduce the urge to eat too quickly. Some discussions in the nutrition space suggest this may be connected to how gelatin interacts with water when consumed. Still, the key message repeated by most sources is balance and moderation. The pink gelatin trick is not meant to replace meals, and people are encouraged to maintain normal eating habits, stay hydrated, and consult professionals if they have health concerns. Its simplicity and low-pressure approach are exactly why the pink gelatin trick continues to spread online and attract attention. If you're interested in learning how people are using the pink gelatin trick in their daily routine, you can find more details in the first comment below.